Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Today we're going to make something simple, egg fried rice, which is very quick, easy to make and very handy if you don't have much money. It's probably only going to cost you 20 or 30p for a massive bowl of it like this. And it's so nice. I think I'll have some more of that there. Oh, I'm so hungry today. So all you need for this recipe is some boiled rice, some vegetable oil. Heat up your wok, put on plenty of vegetable oil. After all, it is fried rice. Allow the oil to heat until it's smoking hot. Meanwhile, you can cut up some spring onions. Most people don't like spring onions in their fried rice, but I do, so I am putting them in. The key to perfect fried rice is to make boiled rice the night before. Put it in the fridge. This will take all the moisture out of the rice and then it won't clump together and it won't be mushy while you're frying it the following day. Crack 2 eggs into your wok just like this. You can put in 3 or 4, whatever you like. I think 2's enough for a plate of rice like this. All you have to do is crack your eggs directly into the wok, or if you don't have a wok, directly into the frying pan. Why would you want to crack your eggs into a mixing bowl and use a fork or whisk to whisk them up, and then at the end of the day you're left with a bowl to wash, you're left with a fork to wash, you're left with a whisk to wash? It's rubbish. Just fire everything in. It's going to do exactly the same thing. Cook them for about 30 seconds until they're slightly runny, and then we're going to take them out of the wok. You don't want to overcook them because they'll be like rubber once we add them back into the rice in a second. Take the eggs out, put them to the side, then add in some more vegetable oil. This is about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Stop the rice from sticking to the wok or frying pan. Add in the boiled rice, which you have from last night. That's prawn toast. I was going to eat that. I'm so hungry. I may wait until the whole thing's finished and then I'll eat it all together. Throw in the boiled rice like this. See how the grains are all separated because the moisture's come out of them. Throw the soy sauce around the edge of the wok. That's 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. You want to give everything a good flip together. If you can't, just use your spatula and turn the rice around. It's exactly the same thing. Once the colour is evenly distributed and everything is brown, there's no more white grains left, you can then add in the spring onions. Some people add these in at the start. It doesn't really matter. You're just going to eat it all anyway. It's all going down the same way, isn't it? So once that's done, we add in the eggs. The reason you don't put the eggs and the rice in together is because when you add the soy sauce, then the eggs tend to go a bit brown coloured, and you want that vibrant yellow and brown colour with the spring onions shining through. So that's more or less it. You can just chuck in whatever's lying there on the side and give everything a good toss and season with some salt if you have it. You don't really need it because soy sauce is very salty anyway, whatever you like yourself.